Okay, good day, guys. This is like a tutorial on the stuff, so I'll be very fast. Just go to this workbench, then open it. So after opening the file, come to um this toolbar here, then go to this steady state terminal because that's what we are working with. Double click, then wait for it to load here. So the first thing first that the man asks us to do is this engineering data. So we are going to change the engineering data. Very easy. Come to this place, click on new, add new material. I think the first one is air. Just press enter, then add glass, and that's it. Just press enter. So we have created two materials. So for people that are interested in design and like particular about design, so you can change your this thing here too. So and that's basically it. After that, bring this down, click on this isotropic thermal conductivity. So here you are going to assign the value for each of them. So for glass, that's 0.78. Then for air, come back here again, click on it. For air is 0.026. So
Majority stakeholder. And our stakeholder don't push
so afterwards, just go back to the project, then click on geometry. You are going to right click on geometry, then you are going to click on this new design modeler geometry. So wait for it to load. Mm, so once it has loaded, so this basically, I think we all did uh, this AutoCAD inventor, so this one should not be a problem to most of us. So all the man just need us to do was to draw on the y-axis. Just click on the y-axis, mm, and I think we'll just select the xy plane, click on this coordinate here, then on the y-axis. So on the y-axis, design on the yeah on the y and x plane. So click on the rectangle, then set hold on to it until you see P. So that P is like ensuring that your thing is precise. So just draw your rectangle anyhow you like it. Then that's that's that. So click on dimensions here. Click on just click on dimension. Then click on either you can click this line or click from this point to this point. So anyone you pick. So V1, that's giving that one as V1, then being that, so this one it has given it as H2. But according to our question, the V2 is 1.2 and the L3 is 0.03. So I'll come back to the design, then just from here edit it. So this one is 0.03 and 0.003, and this one is 1.2 meters. So you can just click from here, zoom to fit, so you can see all our drawing. Click on generate, mm, click on zoom to fit, so you can see our drawing. So it's very tiny, so you might not be able to see that much. So after that, you can just you are done with this. After that, you can just go to modeling and click on the ISO so that we'll be able to see our design well. Then click on extrude, so the materials automatically pick this. Then so we are going to click apply, then we'll click on this. We are going to add material, we are going to add frozen, we are going to add the direction vector, then the depth according to the question was 2 meters. So just click on generate. So this is basically our first body. So quick tip, you can click on control and the center of your mouse to move the drawing around. You can just click on just the center to rotate the drawing. Then you can also use shift and just the middle of the mouse and move it around to increase or decrease the size. So let's just click on this to see our drawing from the beginning. Then after that, you are going to come here, click on select face, click on this face, click on extrude, then click on this. You are going to use this again to click on the I'm going to use this again, this select face, to click on the face again, click apply here, add frozen, apply the direction vector, then the distance 0.012, 0.0. So I'll apply okay. So once we have added the material, add frozen, then I've changed the depth to about 0.012 meters. Then we click on this direction vector, click on select face, click on the face, then click on apply. So after that, you can just generate the body. As you can see, the we already have two bodies here. So as you can see, we have two bodies here. So then for the last one, the last body, we are going to select, click on this select face again, select the face, click on extrude, click on apply, go to material, click on add frozen, go to direction vector, click on the face, then extrude for 0.003. I want to click on apply and click on generate, and basically that's the drawing. As you can see, this is it. So that's basically the drawing. So here, select the, you can see the drawings as they have been selected, so we can just right click here, then rename it. Rename this to the inner glass surface. So this will be renamed to this, rename to air. Right click, rename, some with the outer glass. So you can now go back, then wood, we can save our documents from here. So this is where we save the project. So we're told I can save it anywhere. So let's just save it here. This is where I'm saving mine. So we'll just save it here. Okay, give it a name. Just save it. And that's basically the first part of the design.